Today I'm going to hike from Agios Konstantinos, here right behind me, all the way up to the Ampelos Waterfall. It's been raining a lot lately, and I think even the sign that marks the trail is gone. So I have to be careful following this path. And let's see what the conditions are really like out there. Yeah, so the first part of the trail is actually very straightforward, well marked, and just spectacular views. This is one of those small Samos moments I really love. Yeah. Well, on the map, this looks like an easy hike, but after weeks and weeks and weeks of heavy rain, a little bit of a more challenge. this is so worth it. But after the rain of the last few weeks, the last part gets really technical, so I really needed to take it slow, which is okay. Yeah, but winter in Samos, special, but I really like it. So if you're thinking of hiking from Agios Konstantinos to the Ampelos Waterfall trail, a good pair of shoes are definitely recommended, and some patience. That definitely is going to get you already a long way. And if you enjoy discovering places like this, I'm documenting hiking, I am documenting town life, I'm going to document boating in Samos. Yeah, it's my life here in Samos. So see you in the next one.